Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the rear windshield wiper on your Ford Escape. Start by gathering your new rear wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin, make sure your Ford Escape is turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged to ensure your safety. Then, gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it clicks and locks into its upright service position, making it easier to work with. Now let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or clip located on the underside of the wiper arm where it connects to the blade. Press this release tab firmly, and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. Sometimes, a gentle pry with your flathead screwdriver can help release a stubborn tab. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the slot on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly seated and won't come loose during operation. Almost done. Carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the rear windshield, ensuring it rests flat against the glass. Now, turn on your Ford Escape and activate the rear wiper to test its function. Observe for smooth, quiet operation and confirm that the new blade effectively clears the window, providing clear visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.